Hello everyone, let's start today's computer class. In the last video, I showed some HTML practicals on paragraph tag, line break tag and few attributes. And today I am going to show you HTML practicals on some more tags, like today we will discuss heading tag, superscript, subscript, font tag, bold, italic and underline. So let's begin. First we will open the notepad. Now in notepad, first tag is HTML, then head tag. In head tag what we give? Title tag, and title is used to give any title or heading to the document. Now in this case, as we are discussing subscript and superscript, so I am giving the same title, subscript and superscript. This is the title, then title close, then head close. Now after head section, what is next? Body. So we will start body tag, and inside body tag we will give some attributes like BG color. BG color I am giving, any color you can give of your choice. I am giving yellow. Fine. And if you wish, you can give the text attribute also. Now first we will discuss the heading tag, and for heading tag, as we know how many sizes are available, 6 sizes are available, and that is H1 to H6. H1 is the largest heading size and H6 is the smallest heading size. So I am taking here H2, and if you want to bring the heading at the center, we can use align equals to center. Fine. Now heading I am giving learning, subscript and superscript. Fine. Then H2 close. Okay. Now the first tag which we are going to discuss, heading we have already discussed. Now the subscript and superscript. Now I am taking few examples, like suppose you want to display formula of water. Now for water, how will you write? H2O. H you will write as it is. 2. Now 2 you want to write below the normal line. Now how will you write below the normal line? By using which tag? Subscript. And for subscript, what we use? We use sub. 2, then sub close. Fine. Then O, H2O. Fine. Now for we take another example like calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. What is the formula of calcium chloride? CaCl2. Ca we will write as it is, then Cl we will write, and for 2 we will use again subscript, and we will enclose 2 within sub. So for sub we will write SUB2 and then SUB close. Fine. Now we will take another formula, mathematical, sorry, caps lock is on, mathematical formula. Fine. Suppose we want to write a square plus bq, and to write a square plus bq, how will I write? A for square, square you write above the normal line, and for above the normal line Which tag we will use? Superscript. SUP, then 2 SUP close. Fine. A square plus B cube. B I want small and then cube. And again for 3 you will enclose the 3 within superscript tag. SUP, then 3 SUP close. Fine. One more formula I am taking here. For example, A3 minus B4. So similarly we will use A3 same procedure, or you can take minus B. For 4 again we will use SUP 4 SUP closed. I hope it is clear how to use superscript and subscript. Fine. After that, if you want this much only, we can close the body tag, and body, if you have started with small case, you should write in small case. Fine. But by mistake, if you have written with capital letter also, then still it will work. Fine. Then HTML close. I hope it is clear. HTML hex section, body section, and then HTML close. And in this we have used heading tag and superscript and subscript tag. Fine. So now the next step is to save the file. Now how will you save the file? First we will click on file, then we will click on save. Now we will see where we want to save. On desktop. Okay. Now what should be the file name? Okay, I am writing here learning only, learning.html. Fine, you can give any name. Now I am going to save it. Now I will come on desktop. We will see our file. Learning is here. Double click, open it. So in this case, what we have given, first we have given the title, subscript and superscript, which is correct. Then we gave the heading, learning, subscript and superscript, and we have aligned the heading at the center. That's why it is showing at the center. Now in this case, what we have done, we have used the formula and it is showing correctly, but in the same line. Now which tag shall I use to bring the formulas in the different lines? Which tag? I hope you know that. Then I will open the notepad. So what tag shall I use? BR tag. Now after every line, like after every formula, I will give which tag? BR tag. So let's give BR. Or you can give this if you want to give the space, then you can use the paragraph tag. If you want one blank line space, then you can give paragraph tag. You will enclose every formula with P tag, or simply if you want to bring in the next line, you can give BR. Fine. Molecular formula BR. After every line we will give BR. BR is a which type of tag? It's a empty tag. Fine. BR. So if you have done any changes, again you need to save it. You will save it again, file save, or Alt F(S) or Control S. Fine. Then desktop. Then again we will see the. So now it is showing correctly. I hope it is clear. Superscript and subscript. Now we will see the next one. What is the next font? Which tag? Okay, font tag. Now how you will use the font tag? In font tag, this is the main tag. What are the attributes of font tag? there are how many attributes? 3 attributes. Which one? Face, color and size. So I am using here face. Face means which style you want to give. I am giving here Arial. Fine. Then size, and what number can you give in size attribute? 1 to 7. So you can give any number within 1 to 7. I am giving here 4. Fine. Then color, your wish, which color you want. Okay, I am giving here blue. Fine. See, if you give the text attribute in body tag, then all the text will come in that particular color. Suppose you have given here text equals to blue. So if you are giving attribute text in body tag, then whatever you have written within body tag, its color will be blue. But in case of font tag, whatever you have enclosed, whatever text you have enclosed within font tag, it will change the color of that particular text only, not all text. So the remaining text will come in blue, will come in black color. But if you are writing any text within font tag, only it will change the color blue of that text. For example, here I am writing, this is font tag. Now I am closing font tag. Fine. So this particular text, this is font tag. Size will be 4. Its style will be Arial and its color is blue. So whatever text you want to make any changes in that particular text, so you will enclose that text within font tag. Fine. So let's see. Again we will save it. Control S. This is font tag. Blue color, size 4 and style is Arial. I hope it's clear. Font tag. Now what next? Bold, italic, underline. See, bold, italic, underline, you can use these tags separately or you can use in one sentence only. Fine. Together also you can use bold, italic, underline. For example, if I want to write that text should be bold and italic only, bold and italic. Fine. Now I am writing here welcome students only. I am writing, you can give any text, welcome students. Fine. Now when you close that tag, first you have started B tag, but when you close these tags, you will close which tag? Italic tag, and that is I. And how will you close it? / and I. Fine. Then you will close bold. Fine. So we will save it. Let's see. And to write in the separate line, again I am giving here BR. Fine. Save it. Now we will run it. Welcome student. Fine. This is bold, this is italic. Now if you want underline also, so again I will go to the notepad. Which tag shall I add? Underline. And for underline, which tag we use? U tag. Now when closing the first tag, which one we will close first? U tag. Underline. Fine. So this you can use separately or in one line also you can use together. BIU, and when you close it, you will close first U tag, then I tag and then B tag. For saving, Control S, and then we will come back to the desktop and then we will open it. Fine, underline. I hope it is clear. So today what we have learned the uses of heading tag, then superscript tag, subscript tag, then we used font tag and bold, italic, underline. So if you have understood, you can try at your home. And that's it for today. Thank you so much and thanks for watching.